Hello, friends. Good morning. Hope you are doing well. Our today's lecture is about creating activity in Primavera P6. We can create activity by clicking the activity icon. Now we are in activity window. Here is a layout, and you can choose your layout as required. The layout represent your columns, your formats, each and everything for printing as well. Here I have plan versus actual open. Now create the activity ID by clicking add plus icon on top right corner. You can give the activity ID, the activity name, but go with the default. Also select the WBS, which is a project name. Go with default. Also activity types. We have many 6 types. I define later. All these we go with that default one. Resource assignment is also same. The resources, if we created for this particular project, we can assign, otherwise we create in later phase and we can assign later in other videos. Okay, you can see here it's already resources, but not for this project. These are for other projects, so we cannot send that these are. So we create the specific resources for this project. Duration type same, go with the default, and I define later. Activity units and duration, go with default. We can assign the same in later phase. Also relationships of activities we can define as well in later phase. We can go with default because we have just one activity. If we have others, we can relationship this time, otherwise not. These are more details. If you want, you can require, you can assign this time, otherwise later phase you can also define. Congrats, you created your activity. It was with a wizard. Without wizards, you can select the edit option, edit button, and user preferences. In user preferences, go to assistance. In assistance, you can see use new activity wizards. Uncheck the box and close the window. So now create the activity. See, you can see here the activity is created without the wizard. That's great. With default values, you can assign each and everything later. So you can create many activities like this. You can give name, you can give ID. It is default. You can change the ID as per your requirement. Here is the default duration, 5 days. In next lecture I show you how to link the activities with. If you find this video valuable, please do subscribe and like the channel.